Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I just want to go over 3 must-have apps that you should have on every Shopify store. This is going to help you increase your revenue, increase your average order value, increase your lifetime value, and overall conversion rate. You must have these apps installed right now if you haven't done so. So make sure you stay tuned, watch, and implement. If you don't know me, my name is Jandi and I'm all about taking action. I have created a Facebook group called Ecom Action Takers where people just take action, help each other out when it comes to e-commerce, Shopify, dropshipping, and all that stuff. Feel free to join that group. It's the first link in the description. And also, if you want to win a one-on-one consulting call with me, make sure you comment down below #ActionTaker and I'll be announcing the winner in my next video. Cool, so make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and that notification bell as well if you haven't done so. Let's start. Cool, so the first app I want to show you guys is a review app. Everyone must have reviews on their Shopify store, but the specific one that I use is called Looks. This Shopify store here is using that app as well. I use this for 4 of my Shopify stores. They are great. Okay, you can change the color of the stars to gold. That's what I did for my stores. And also it is very easy to implement into your store and get reviews. You can basically import reviews from AliExpress by using this app. Okay, so from Shopify you install the app. I think they have a 7-day to 14-day trial for free. Give it a try, and then you have to pay about $10 for the basic one, which will let you upload 20 reviews, and in my opinion that's more than enough. Okay, you can also upload picture reviews from AliExpress. Basically, when you go into the app, there will be a tab which you can drag up here into your bookmark place, and then once you go to an AliExpress page with reviews, you just click the bookmark Looks app and then choose the product where you want to import the reviews to, and boom, you'll just get the reviews straight away. It is very easy to install. There's no codings required unless you do some customization, but you don't need to. I mean, that looks pretty sick already, but like I said, I would change this to a gold. Okay, the other thing about Looks app is the post purchase email, and this is great. Not many review apps allows this. So what I mean by that is when a customer buys from you, okay, you can set in Looks, the app itself, how many days until you email the person that bought from you. So basically what I do is after 14 days, because I know they will receive the product within 10 days. After 14 days, I will email the person, how do you like the product? Okay, you ask for a review, and this is how you're going to be able to build your brand, build trust, and increase your lifetime value. Very important. That's how you're going to increase the value or the worth of your store if you decide to sell it. Okay, and this way, if you increase your lifetime value, you will see an increase in return customer rate, and that's how you build a sustainable business, because you want people returning and buying from you again. And also, I send them second email after 2 days of sending the initial email, giving them a big discount. And like I said, that's how you're gonna get them to buy again from you. And if they love your product, word of mouth is very strong. They'll tell their friends, this brand or this business here is so amazing. I like them. I bought this. You should buy this as well. So it's a very good idea to interact with your customers. Don't just sell to them and just leave them be. I mean, that's the traditional dropshipping there, but I'm sharing you guys some values here. Okay, you want to build a sustainable business. And then the second app that I want to go through is this little header here with the add to cart. This is probably one of the most important app, which I have for all of my stores as well, because because this app here increased my conversion rate by 1%, I think 1 to 2% for some of my stores. The reason why it's so good is you're gonna lose this add to cart as people scroll down your page, your product page. Okay, so if they're scrolling down, where is the add to cart? Okay, and then when they go through when they start reading your review, where's the add to cart? If you have this app, this will show along the way as they scroll down. There's also an option to have it in the footer, so I have it on my header and footer. Okay, always giving them a call to action button wherever they go. So this is called the Add to Cart Booster Pro. They also have a free trial and then $7 after that per month. That is nothing compared to the return on investment that it yields. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys the actual potential and the result that I got from this app, and it's gonna blow your mind. So this is the result from one of my stores from just using this app alone. Total potential revenue $100,000. Let me just put it into more precise perspective. Okay, the total potential revenue means, you know, these are all the people that click that little button on the header. Okay, and my add to cart button is like 7 to 8%. It increased that much. It started from 5%, but after implementing this, you know, it's about 7 to 8%, and my conversion value compared to my add to cart is 5%. So there's about 2 to 3% difference from add to cart until they actually purchase. So you can see I generated about $100,000 from using this app, and it's only $7. So I highly recommend this. It will increase your conversion by far. Start implementing this app because you're not gonna regret it. The final app that I want to discuss is Reconvert, and I can't stress this enough, guys. This is why it's in the top 3, because watch this. The last 30 days I generated $1,000 revenue. Okay, and overall from using this app, 1,420%. You guys are not seeing the picture here. 1,420% return on investment by just using this app. There's a trial for this as well, but what it does is a very unique. Some apps does this as well, but I use this specifically because it allows you to have a different customization. Okay, so what it does is when a person buys from you, they're gonna be directed to a thank you page, you know, just saying, okay, this is your customer address, billing address, and the product that you bought from us. Just want to say thank you and all that stuff. But when you use this app, you are going to be able to add a discount code in there, which is what I have, a product comment, customer survey about the experience on how they shop, an upsell of another product or the same product. Very important. That's how you're going to be able to have a returned customer. They get the discount and they can shop again. Highly advisable that you guys implement this app right now. This is the result that you will get from it. Okay, and you can use like the product comments to improve your products. Sometimes they comment about why they bought it, so you know it gives you an idea on who to target and what kind of people you should be targeting. And there's also that customer survey, how you can improve the customer shopping experience. So this is so undervalued. Not many people use this, so go ahead and use this. I highly recommend it. So I hope you guys learned something new there. Make sure you implement these 3 apps and also join our Facebook group. It's the first link in the description. As always, hit that like, subscribe, and that notification bell if you learned something new here. If you want to win a one-on-one consulting call with me, don't forget to comment down below #ActionTaker, plus a little comment or suggestions of what kind of videos you want to see from me next. I'll see you guys soon.